At our agency, we just got a client who has signed to pay us $1,800 per month. And this lead we actually got from LinkedIn. So here are my top 4 best practices that we personally use to get high paying clients through LinkedIn. So first of all, if you want to get high paying clients on LinkedIn, your content has to be super valuable to your audience. A great profile picture, a great cover photo, a great bio, yeah, all of these optimizations help, but if your content is not that good enough to attract people, you're not going to get good leads, my friend. Now, next of all, whenever you're creating content, always try to make your post super interactive, which is like, attaching a strong call to action for people to comment on your post. Now, third of all, a lot of people I have seen in my experience, they just post and ghost. They don't interact with other people. They don't communicate with their network, and this is not how it should be. You have to make solid bonding to rip up solid benefits. Now, last but not the least, consistency is super duper important. A lot of my students ask me like, hey, I have posted a couple of contents, however, I'm not getting any leads at all. Well, the problem is they're not consistent at all. So you need to consistently post valuable content with a long-term focus in mind. So these are some of the pro tips that you can actually implement to scale up your online revenue. Now, if you have any sort of question on this, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I will definitely answer all your questions one by one. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.